Hey guys, my name is Taylor Chu. Today I'm going to bring you a Joker makeup tutorial from the most recent version starring Joaquin Phoenix. Enjoy. Okay guys, that's it. Remember, there are different variations of this makeup you can do based on where the character is in his development. For example, the more worn the makeup looks, the further he is in his downward spiral. So you can add drips, you can scuff up the bottom, you can add tighter lines right here with where your wrinkles naturally fall. My name is Taylor Chu. I hope you enjoyed this Joker makeup tutorial. Check out my other videos.